everyone. Today I am going to talk about the most important topic is breast cancer awareness. All we know, as per World Health Organization, it is a breast cancer. It is one of the most common cancer among the women, affecting around the globe. It is almost 2 million individuals yearly. So, as per the statistics, 1 in 8 women will eventually diagnosed to have a breast cancer. So, cancer is a social illness. It's not only affecting an individual alone, it almost affecting the entire families. Especially in the breast cancer, it affecting a much larger people. So, this October month we call it as a breast cancer awareness month. So, it is started in 1985. The entire October month from day 1 to day 31 all over the world. It is an annual campaign. It's a time to encourage the woman to be checked, be screened, and make their healthy choices and take care of their breast health. It is an annual campaign not only supported by WHO, it is almost supported by our Indian government and various NGOs and private sectors. So currently, even though various research is going on breast cancer, we don't have exact reason or causes for the breast cancer. So the topic why we are discussing about the breast awareness, the proper yearly detection of the breast cancer, it is a key to control the breast cancer. So in our people, especially in the Indian, we have seen almost patient with the advanced breast cancer. So the majority of the death is occurring due to the breast cancer, especially in low and middle income countries like our Indian people. The most women with breast cancer are diagnosed at the late stage due to mainly lack of awareness, especially on the earlier detection and the various barriers to the approaching to the health sectors. There are three things I need to emphasize on this breast cancer awareness month. One is mammogram, another is a self breast examination, another is a clinical breast examination. First thing, mammogram. Mammogram is the most common way we can able to detect a breast cancer at an earlier stage. It is nothing but a X-ray of the breast. So as per various cancer societies all over the world, the woman at the age of 40, they are recommending to go ahead for a mammogram at least yearly once till they are in a good health. So many women is getting afraid or embraced about the mammogram. Yes, the mammogram might be uncomfortable. Don't panic on that. It just lasts for a few seconds, not like other imaging for 20 minutes or 15 minutes. If you, the way this mammogram really helps to detect a very early lesion which is not picked by a hands or not seen by your eyes. So if the detected early lesion as per the modern techniques of the treatment, those women we can by giving a curative treatment they can lead a good life as like a normal woman with good life expectancy. Another common thing I want to go and discuss about this is breast self examination. It is nothing but a breast examination ideally done by their own in front of the mirror. It is we encouraging them to go ahead, especially this breast self examination few days after their menstrual period. So detail about the breast self examination, how to do, I will explain in another separate session. So during the self breast examination, don't be panic. The first thing I want to emphasize on that, don't be panic. Many things other than the cancer, it might be there. So if you notify any of the lesion in your breast, such as any change in your size of your breast, contour or skin, you just notifying any skin thickening, dimpling or sometimes puckering, sometimes look like scaly lesions or any lump which you are notifying inside the breast or in your underarms. or sometimes you might notifying the any discharge from the nipple, abnormal discharge. Sometimes it might be watery, sometimes it might be bloody discharges. If any of these symptoms, if you are notifying during your examination, we encourage them to do at least monthly once at the age of 20 years itself. So if you notifying any of these symptoms, please report to the doctor to go ahead for a further test.